Have you ever dreamt pictures coming alive? Or wished for a magic lamp to turn your dreams true? And it's not a dream anymore. With 3D printing. A 3D printer is a cutting-edge manufacturing device capable of transforming digital designs into tangible three-dimensional objects. By layering successive material deposits based on the digital model, it creates intricate and complex structures with precision. These printers utilize various materials, such as plastics, metals, ceramics, and even biocompatible substances, to produce a wide array of items, from prototypes to functional parts and artistic creations. The technology has revolutionized industries like aerospace, healthcare, and art by enabling rapid prototyping, customization, and cost-effective production. As the technology continues to advance, 3D printers hold the potential to reshape traditional manufacturing processes and open up new possibilities for innovation. Today we have 3D buildings, 3D houses, 3D post office, and a lot more architecture built using 3D printing technology all over the world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. Stay tuned for more videos.